In a food processor, add 2 cups cottage cheese, 2 eggs, 2 tablespoons tahini, 1 teaspoon Himalayan salt, 1 teaspoon garlic powder, 10 grams baking powder and 2 tablespoons white vinegar. Blend everything until you get a smooth, creamy batter. Line a baking pan with silicone cups or paper cups. Divide the batter evenly into the cups. Sprinkle sesame seeds and black seeds on top. Bake in a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius or 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 40 minutes. Let them cool slightly, then serve. Don't forget to hit subscribe so you never miss a new recipe. If you enjoyed this video, give it a like and drop a comment below. I'd love to hear from you, and share this recipe with your friends and family. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.